Have you let anyone borrow your phone before? One woman let her son borrow her phone, but she could have never expected the terrifying thing she saw, after she got her phone back. So this woman got a new phone, and she put it on the kitchen counter, and went to watch some TV. That's when her son came in and asked if he could borrow the phone to play with it. The woman didn't think much of it at first, so she agreed. But she never known that this would lead to a terrifying discovery. When it was nighttime, she got ready to tuck her son into bed. So she went upstairs to his room, but he wasn't there. Then she ran over to her room and saw him sleeping on her bed, with a new phone in his hand. She felt relieved, so she took her phone back, and started looking through it. At first nothing was out of the ordinary. She saw her background had changed, but it was until she saw the photos, that she found the horrifying surprise. There were many new photos on her phone that her son took around the house, the front door, the kitchen, and even photos of her taken from the back, when she was watching TV. She started deleting these photos, until the last one caught her eye. Instantly she turned around terrified. It was a photo of her son sleeping in her bed. But it was taken by someone else, someone standing above him, and on the edge of the photo was half of a stranger's face.